Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to North Harbour, Newfoundland and Labrador. North Harbour is a charming community nestled along the shores of St. Mary's Bay, on Newfoundland's Avalon Peninsula. The area is known for its rugged coastline, scenic beauty, and tranquil environment. The history of North Harbour is deeply intertwined with Newfoundland's rich maritime heritage. The community has long been associated with the fishing industry, which has been a cornerstone of Newfoundland's economy for centuries. The harbour provided shelter during storms, and served as a gathering place for vessels before travelling back to Europe in convoy, a common practice in the 17th and 18th centuries, to protect ships from enemy vessels, privateers, or pirates. The landscape around North Harbour is typical of Newfoundland's rugged beauty.
Thank you very much.
The area features deep U-shaped valleys, small kettle lakes, and scenic fjords, all shaped by ancient glaciers. The coastline is dotted with coves and inlets, offering breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean. For those seeking a peaceful retreat, North Harbour offers a serene environment away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Visitors can enjoy scenic drives along the coastline, hiking in the surrounding natural landscapes, and experiencing the local culture firsthand.
Thanks for watching!